Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a juicy omelet. We will cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the perfect fold. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, about 1 tablespoon of butter, and any fillings you love, like cheese or fresh herbs. Having an 8-inch nonstick pan is also key for a successful, tender omelet. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our eggs for that ideal juicy texture. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a small bowl. Add a generous pinch of salt and a tiny splash of water or milk. This helps keep the omelet tender. Now, gently whisk the eggs with a fork until the yolks and whites are just combined, but don't over-aerate them. We want a smooth, not foamy mixture. Now for the cooking magic. Melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in your 8-inch nonstick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is bubbly, pour in your egg mixture and immediately reduce the heat to low. Use a spatula to gently push the cooked edges towards the center, tilting the pan so the uncooked egg flows underneath. Continue this until the omelet is mostly set but still slightly moist on top, avoiding any browning. The final steps bring it all together. Once your omelet is mostly set, sprinkle your favorite fillings, like shredded cheese or sautéed mushrooms, onto 1/2. Then, with a gentle hand, use your spatula to carefully fold the omelet in half. Finally, slide your beautifully cooked, juicy omelet onto a warm plate. Serve it immediately for the best flavor and texture. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.